All right, let's take a look at a camel pack. Of course, it comes with the camel pack. You can always replace that with any other camel pack that you have. This is what I'm more interested about the bag. It has, you guys can see these fluorescent things that you can see yourself walking at night. You're going to take walks. You could put a bottle in here. You're going to carry water, extra side pocket on the side, and then another one. This is kind of like a nylon material, very stretchable. And the best thing that it has the clips. Also has a whistle in case you get lost or something happens, if you're in like a forest or anywhere. And it has extra pockets. You can set up your phone on the side pockets and carry other things that you can see through. So this is a very discreet little backpack that you have, and you can't even see it when you're wearing it. And I like the actual side pockets it has. There's plenty of pockets and ventilation. It won't sweat. You guys can see this. It won't retain that much moisture because it's kind of like it's not waterproof, all right? It dries up quick when you get it wet. So in case you get it wet, this is something you can use. Very simple camel pack. I like it. I hope you guys enjoy the video.